So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be learning different numerical puzzles. So how to solve a numerical puzzle? You have to always see what pattern it follows. Like here it is 1 4 2 49, 4 2 2 64, 5 3 169. By looking into the question, we can see that something is happening between these first three, so that the resultant this row is getting affected. So you have to see the operations it follows. It shows 49, 64 and 169. If you know the squares, we can term it 49 as 7 square, 64 as 8 square, or 169 as 13 square. If we analyze it more clearly, we can understand, or we can see the pattern that 1 plus 4 plus 2 gives 7. So it is nothing but addition of these three columns gives the square of that number. Now we need to figure out what it will be in the question mark, so that it gives 169. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So 13 square is 169. So here it will be 5. So the answer is 5. 5 plus 5 plus 3, it gives 13 and its square is 169. Now for the second question, let's analyze it. It is 5, 2, 8 and 40. Then it is 5, 4, 3 and 30. We can try like 5 into 2 into 8. It's coming 5 into 2 10, 10 into 8 is 80. 5 into 4 into 3, it is 20 into 360. But the results are 40 and 30. So here it is becoming the double of the multiplication, that is 5 into 2 into 8, it is 80, but we want 40. So it's doing nothing but these columns are getting multiplied with each other and getting divided by 2. 5 into 2 into 8 is 80 divided by 2 equals to 40, and 5 into 4 into 3 is 60 divided by 2, 30. So to find out this result, we need 2 into 1 into 10 by 2. It's nothing but 20 by 2 equals to 10. 2 into 1 into 10 by 2 equals to 20 by 2. So the answer is 10. Now let's see the third question. Here the answer in the last column, it is 65, 20 and 45. After seeing the question, we can understand that some operations are going on between the columns, so that the resultant last row is nothing but the result of these operations. We can also see the answer and bound our limits. Like sometimes we may get puzzled what number it may contain, but seeing the answer gives us a clear cut reason that these all are numbers will be single digit numbers, or not so much operations will be getting performed. So to get 65, 5, 6 and 7, we need to find a relation among 5, 6 and 7 such that it gives 65. So we know 65 is 13 into 5, or 20 is 5 into 4, or 4 into 5. You can see it. 6 plus 7 is 13, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 13 into 5 is 65. So row 2 and row 3, they are getting multiplied with each other. Sorry, row 2 and row 3 are getting added with each other and multiplied with the first row. So it is row 2 plus row 3 into row 1. So we can write here 6 plus 7 equals to 13, 13 into 5 equals to 65. Now to get this one, question mark into question mark plus 4 equals to how much, such that it would be giving 45. So it's nothing but this question mark is 1, because 4 plus 1 equals to 5, and 5 into 9 equals to 45. So the answer will be 1. In the next question, this one is pretty simple. 63, 99, 135, 49, 77, 105, 121, 165, and we need to find out this columns part, or this third row, row 1's third element. So 63 is 7 into 9, but 99 doesn't come under any multiples of 7, so it would be 9 into 7, and it is 9 into 11. So first it is getting multiplied by 9 into 7, 63, then 9 into 11, it is getting 99, then it is coming 9 into 135, 9 135, 135 we know 9, 15 into 9, it is 135. So first it is getting multiplied by 7, then 11, then 15. Can you check for this? 7 into 7 equals to 49, 7 into 11 gives 77, 7 into 15 gives 105. Yes, the analysis is correct. So now we need to find out what is this number. So 11 into 11 is 121, 11 square is 121, and 11 into 15 is 165. So it's nothing but 11 into 7. So the answer is 11 into 7 gives 77. The answer is 77, not 11. Now coming to the fifth question, let's see what it unfolds. 9, 6, 45, 12, 7, 95, 8, 3, and we have to find this element. So we need to figure it out how 45 is coming, or what operations are getting performed between them. So 9 into 6, it will give 54. 45 is the digit transformation, exchanging the digits. No, it's not happening like that, because 12 into 7 is 84. Otherwise this answer would have been 48, if like that something would have happened. So we can we have to try it. 9 into 6, it's not possible. 9 square plus 6 square, it's 81 plus 36. No, it's out of the bound only. Okay, Can you try the subtraction? 9 square minus 6 square, it is 54 minus 36. See, to develop this type of logics, you have to understand and practice as many questions as possible, so that only you can understand how the things are getting performed. You have to look at the rows. You can see in this row small elements are there, means small numbers, one digit numbers. It also has one digit numbers, but it has two double digit numbers. So how will understand that this is happening here? What means some operations might be performed on this, so that we would be getting this resultant values. Now to find out that, we need to practice, or we need to see different type of patterns, so that this comes automatically. Now if we check it, 9 square is 81, 6 square is 36. So 81 minus 36 is nothing but 45. It's pretty simple. So 12 square is 144, 7 square is 49, and the result is minus, it is 95. 8 square is 64 minus 9. 64 minus 9 is nothing but 55. So the answer is 8 square minus 3 square equals to 64 minus 9 equals to 55. Option C. So now we have to analyze that what comes here. Now we have to see what comes in the question marks part. So it is 8, 17, 33, 12, 5, 29, 10, 13 and this question mark. Till now we have seen that only operations were going on between row 1 and row 2, and the resultant was in row 3. But here it is in this column. Some operations are going on between column 1 and column 2, such that it leads to these results. So now we have to figure out or find the pattern. So how we'll get 33 from 8 and 17, or 29 from 12 and 5? First we have to think about this, and then we can find out. So 33 can be termed as 17 into 2 minus 1. No, it can't be true, because it would be 5 into, for second row it is 5 into 5, 25 minus 1, it will give 24, but here answer is 29. So that logic is not correct. We have to see it. Okay, we can do it like 8 into 2 plus 17 gives 33. It's 8 into 2 is 16 plus 17 is 33, or 12 into 2, 24 plus 5 equals to 29. Yes. 10 into 2 plus 13 equals to 10 into 2 is 20 plus 13 gives 33. So our answer is 33. So it is nothing but C1 into 2 plus C2 gives C3. C3. So here it is 10 into 2 plus 13, it will be giving 33. So the final answer is 10 into 2 plus 13 gives 20 plus 13 is 33. So our answer is 33. Now coming to this question, 7th number question, it is 68, 75 and 13. So and 85, 56. This element we have to find out. So we can see that some operation is going between column 1 and column 2, so that column 3 is getting affected. This one is coming less numbers, as compared to these numbers. So we think that subtraction or division might be possible. So we need to find out what logic it follows. But 68 minus 75 or 75 minus 68 is not 13, is 13, is not 13, and in this case also it is not possible. So we can find the logic that 6 into 8, if we differentiate its digits 6 and 8, we can find 6 into 8 is 48, 7 into 5 is 35, and their difference is 13. Same, it's like 8 into 5 is 40 and 5 into 6 is equals to 30, and their difference would be 10. 7 into 6 is 42, 4 into 7 is equal to 28, so it will be 14. Yes, our logic is correct. So the answer is 8 into 5 minus 5 into 6, 40 minus 30 equals to 10. Now coming to question number 8. 4, 30, 13, 5, 6, 4, 27. Here it is 40 and 209 and 59. So we can analyze that some operations are going on between these three columns, so that this row's first element is getting affected. We know that 4 into 5 plus 20 equals to 40, and 13 into 4 is 52 plus 7 is equals to 59. So this one is nothing but 30 into 6 plus x equals to 209. 13 into 6 is 180. So 209 minus 180 is nothing but 29. Oh, this option it is wrong. It would be 29, not 39. It would be 29. So it is 30 into 6 plus 29. 180 plus 29 is equal to 209. Coming to the ninth question. 2, 3 and 11, 4, 1 and 5, 15, 7, 3 and 56. Now how we'll get 11 from 2 and 3? 2 cube plus 3, it is 8 plus 3 is 11. Let's check it for second row. But for second row it is 4q is 64. So this logic is not correct. Can we write it as 2 square plus 3 square equals to 11? Yes. 4 plus 9 equals to 13, but the answer is 11. Can we subtract any common digit from all the rows? Like 4 square plus 1 square is equal to 17. First we got 13, now we got 17, and it is 7 square is 49. 49 plus 9, 49 plus 9 is equals to 58. Yes, so it is getting subtracted. A common digit is separated from the result we are getting, so it's nothing but 2 square plus 3 square minus 2. 4 square plus 1 square minus 2. 7 square plus 3 square minus 2. So the answer is, we have to find out 8 8s are 64, we know. So 89 minus 64. So this one is 5. The answer is 5 square plus 8 square minus 2. 25 plus 64 gives us 89 minus 2 equals to 87. So the answer is 5. Coming to question number 10, it is 51, 71, 3, 61, 64 and 4. So 71 is nothing but the digits are rearranged and written as 71. So it is 17 into 3, it is 51. 16 into 4 is 64. So now we have to find which number, the number it would fill this question mark, and its alternate digits would be written. So 73 into 5 is 235. 73 into 5 is 15, 1 and 5 is 35. No, it is also not possible. So it is 40, 74. 74 can be written as 47. So 47 into 5, it's 5 cents are 35. 20 to 35. So the answer is 74. So we can write it as 47 into 5 equals to 235, and 47 with digits rearranged is 74. So is A, 74.